Hi all, this is Marie from Tasklet Factory. We are hosting a webinar together with our partner Mercurius on the 4th of August at 10 a.m. UK time, which we hope you'll come and see and come and join us. We will be discussing how to reduce warehouse costs, our mobile WMS solution, and what you can actually do with some of the out-of-the-box functionalities. The webinar is for any organization with a warehouse. It includes businesses who are within the manufacturing industry, wholesale, distribution, retail, healthcare, food services, and so on. On the webinar, we will obviously go through the mobile WMS features for Business Central and NAV. We'll talk about how you can, as mentioned, reduce errors and reduce your warehouse costs by using the solution. We will show you real-time visibility of your stock, how to receive products, how to do picking, basically all of the warehouse functionalities that you might be struggling with today using pen and paper. We'll show how that can be done nice and easy. We hope to see you on the 4th at 10 a.m. Cheers. Thank you.